morning, good evening, good night, whenever you guys are watching this channel. First, subscribe. I ran across this video and I thought it should have gotten a lot more views. The media will not show you this about Donald Trump. And when I watched this video, it pulled a string on my heart. This was really emotional. If you listen to this lady, and she's speaking from her heart, and a lot of people are judgmental, and I'm slow to judge people because everybody have been through some things in their lives. And this lady right here, you could tell she's hurt. She's hurt, and she's speaking from her heart. And a lot of people are going to say, where did she get a phone to make this recording? But I'm sure Mr. Trump gave her a phone. But just listen to this, and you guys tell me what you think about this. And like I said, the media ain't gonna show this. They don't want us to see this. They don't want the world to see this. Check this out.
Hi everybody. I am a squatter in Donald Trump's building, Trump Tower, in New York City. As you can see, I'm in my pajamas. There's Central Park right there. And that tall building is the Essex House on Central Park West, near 59th Street. I came in here about 9 years ago and snuck in the building and just started occupying one of the empty rooms in here. By the time our housekeeper noticed I was here the next day, she called the manager and they called the New York City police.
Wow.
Who came up here and told me I had to leave or I would be arrested. When I told them I would not go, they contacted Mr. Trump over the phone, and he came down here. Instead of him evicting me off the property, he said that I can stay. And it's been 8 years.
Wow.
I've been here. Not only did he not evict me off the property, he makes sure that I get 3 meals a day.
Wow.
My room service, and that I get a delivery of fresh flowers every week. So you people, not a bad guy at all. If it weren't for him, I'd be homeless, I'd be dead right now. I'd be in the street. I asked him, how am I going to pay him back for all of this? And he told me I can pay him back whenever I get it, which is never. I have no idea why he did this for me. It's been 9 years, and I've been here for totally free, and I haven't paid a dime. Donald Trump is not a bad guy. He's a wonderful, wonderful man. And everything I'm telling you today is true. Goodbye.
Wow. Wow. That's all I can say. You look at this and this lady probably don't have a family, and I'm so fortunate, and my family is fortunate enough. We have a big family, and we have somebody to call if we ever get in situations like this. But you never know what people may go through. And check this out right here, what Judge Joe Brown said about Trump. And this guy asked him, did he think Trump was racist? Check this out.
Is Trump a racist?
I don't think so. I've talked to a number of black entrepreneurs who back in the late 80s and 90s, early 90s, were trying to get financing. They couldn't. Somebody told them to go check with Donald Trump. So they come back and tell me they got a loan from Donald Trump. He gave them a term loan. Show up with the interest and the principal, one check, but they had to go see him personally. They independently relate this tale that when they saw him, he said, "This what you supposed to pay me? This our agreement?" And yeah. And then tore the check up, shook their hands, and congratulations. Now run your business.
Wow. Now, how many people's gonna do that? You don't hear these stories. These stories are hidden. They don't want the world to see this. They're just gonna show you the negative things. But anyway, you guys leave comments and tell me what you think. And thanks for watching. And again, subscribe to my channel. And don't forget to go out and vote. I know this midterm election voting is tomorrow, November the 8th. So have a great day. And again, subscribe to my channel.